Okay, this is Florence, the mathematics tutor. I want to look at converting decimal fractions to I, common fractions, and I percentages. So we are going to work with these 4 examples. Let's start with common fractions. Now, with common fractions, what we need to do is we need to identify the place value of the last digit of the decimal fraction. So let's take our first example, 0.7. The last digit under this question is 7, and its place value is tenth, and tenth means divided by 10. So 0.7 will be 7 on 10. So somebody may ask, where is the 0? We ignore the 0. But if it was a value other than 0, we would have maintained that value. So let me change our second example to 1.31. We have 1.31. We are converting it to a common fraction. Let's find the place value of the last digit. Here our last digit is 1. And the place value from here we have tenths, and that of the last one is 100. Which means the whole of this number will be on 100. So we are going to have 131 on 100. And this is an improper fraction. You can convert to a mixed number, where you have one whole number, 31 on 100. Let's go to our third question, where we have 0.25. And this will give us 25 over, let's check the place value of the last digit. So let's go tenth, 100. So it becomes 25 on 100. And we can simplify this and obtain 1 over 4. That is 25 goes into itself 1, into 104. And so I'll leave this for you to solve. Then now let's look at converting the same decimal fractions to percentages. Get this concept once and for all. Converting any quantity to percentage, you multiply the quantity by 100%, because 100 is the basic value for percentages. So let's take our first question, 0.7. This becomes 0.7 times 100%. Very simple. Now, how do we multiply this? With here, we move the decimal point according to the number of zeros. And we have 2 zeros here. So the decimal points will be moved twice. So 0.7 will give us 1, 2, where we fill the empty space with 0. So this is going to give us 70%, which means that 0.7 is the same as 70%. Let's pick the next one, 1.31, which will give us 1.31 times 100%. And per the decimal numeral we are working with, the decimal point moves twice. So we are going to have 1.31. Then we move the decimal point twice, giving us 1, 2. We have no empty space, so the answer is 131%. Let's take the third question. 0.25. Giving us 0.25 times 100%. Well, now we move the decimal point twice. So we are going to have 0.25, 1, 2, giving us 25%. And this is Florence, the mathematics tutor.